Mae cyrsiau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant yr adran yn ddewisiadau poblogaidd iawn yn y chweched dosbarth. Darperir 2 gymhwyster ym mlwyddyn 12 a 2 ym mlwyddyn 13. Addysgwn ddosbarthiadau o 20 a mwy yn flynyddol sy'n dysteb ddigonol o lwyddiant, hanes a thraddodiad yr adran. Ymfalchiwn yn ein cysondeb o 100% a sereni dros y 3 blynedd diwethaf. Yma cewch fwy o wybodaeth am y cwrs lefel 3 Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol, Egwyddorion a Chyd destunau. Gwelir cyflwyniad arall am y cwrs tag Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant. The health and social care and childcare courses are extremely popular choices within the sixth form. We provide 2 qualifications in Year 12 and 2 in Year 13. Each class boasts 20 or more learners, which highlights the success of the department. Consistently, over the last 3 years, our learners have achieved 100% A* to E grades. Here you can find out more about the Level 3 Health and Social Care Principles and Context course. Information about the GCE Health and Social Care and Childcare course can be found on a different presentation. Cynnwys ac asesu, content and assessment. Mae uned 1 yn asesiad di-arholiad sy'n cael ei farcio gan eich athro a'i gymedroli'n allanol gan cybac. Bydd 20 awr yn cael ei dyrannu ar gyfer yr asesiad hwn. Mae'n werth 25%, mae allan o 100 marc, mae yna 2 dasg sef ysgrifennu adroddiad a llunio pecyn gwybodaeth. Unit 1 is internally assessed through a non-examination assessment. It is marked by your teacher and externally moderated by WJEC. 20 hours will be allocated for this assessment. It is worth 25%, it is out of 100 marks, and it includes 2 tasks, writing a report and producing an information pack. Mae uned 2 yn cael ei asesu'n allanol. Arholiad ysgrifenedig ydyw o 1 awr 45 munud. Mae'n werth 50%, mae allan o 100 o farciau, mae'n cynnwys amrywiaeth o fathau o gwestiynau ac yn cynnwys cwestiynau gorfodol yn unig. Unit 2 is externally assessed. It is a written examination of 1 hour 45 minutes. It is worth 50%. It is out of 100 marks. It includes a range of question types and only includes compulsory questions. Mae uned 3 yn cael ei asesu'n fewnol a wedi ei farcio gan eich athro. Mae'n cael ei gymodroli yn allanol gan cybac. Bydd 20 awr yn cael ei ddyrannu iddo. Mae'n werth 25% ac mae allan o 80 marc. Bydd angen i chi gyflwyno tystiolaeth ar gyfer tasgau gosod i ddangos eich gwybodaeth a'ch dealltwriaeth o hybu hawliau unigolion wrth gefnogi eu hechyd a'i llesiant. Bydd y dystiolaeth yn seiliedig ar grŵp o unigolion o'ch dewis chi. Bydd angen y dystiolaeth gael ei chyflwyno naill llai fel podleidiad, cyflwyniad neu fideo. Unit 3 is a non-examination assessment. It is marked by your teacher and externally moderated by WJEC. 20 hours will be allocated for this assessment. It is worth 25% and it is out of 80 marks. You will need to produce evidence for set tasks to demonstrate your knowledge and understanding of promoting the rights of individuals in supporting their health and well-being. The evidence will be based on a group of individuals of your choice. The evidence will need to be either a podcast, a presentation, or a video. Bydd y cymhwyster yn caniatáu i chi ddeall yr egwyddorion a'r gwerthoedd sy'n sail i ymarfer iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol. Bydd yn eich galluogi chi i ei cymhwyso at amrywiaeth o gyd-destunau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol ac yn helpu chi ddeall a myfyrio ar sut y gellir nodi anghenion unigryw unigolion ac ymateb iddynt. Bydd hefyd yn eich helpu chi ddeall y modd y gellir hybu a chefnogi ymarfer a llesiant person ganolog ym maes iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol. The qualification will help you understand the principles and values which underpin health and social care practice and allow you to apply them to a range of health and social care contexts. It will help you understand and reflect on the ways in which individuals' unique needs can be identified and responded to. It will also help you understand ways in which effective, person-centered practice and well-being within health and social care can be promoted and supported. It will make you aware of changing sector policy and how these changes affect service development and delivery. Mae'r cymwysterau yn cynnig llwybr dilyniad addas os ydych chi wedi astudio cymwysterau lefel 2 yn y gyfres Iechyd y Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant, gan gynnwys TGAU Iechyd y Gofal Cymdeithasol. Mae hefyd yn addas os nad ydych chi wedi astudio Iechyd y Gofal Cymdeithasol yn flaenorol, ond eich bod chi ar gallu i astudio yn lefel 3. The qualification provides a suitable progression route if you have studied Level 2 qualifications within the Health and Social Care and Childcare suite, including GCSE, Health and Social Care. It is also suitable if you have not previously studied Health and Social Care, but are capable of Level 3 study. Gall y cymhwyster eich helpu chi yn y dyfodol drwy helpu chi symud ymlaen i gymwysterau eraill o fewn y gyfres Iechyd y Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant. Mae hefyd yn cynnig sylfaen addas ar gyfer swyddi neu brentisiaethau, ac hefyd yn eich helpu chi symud ymlaen i gyrsiau addysg uwch mewn meysydd yn cynnwys iechyd, gofal cymdeithasol, blynyddoedd cynnar, therapi iaith a lleferydd, seicoleg, bydwreigiaeth ac iechyd galwedigaethol. The qualification will help you in the future by allowing you to progress to other qualifications within the Health and Social Care and Childcare suite, for example, the Level 2 and Level 3 Health and Social Care practice qualifications. It also provides a suitable foundation for employment or apprenticeships. It will allow you to progress to higher education courses in areas including health, social care, early years, speech and language therapy, psychology, midwifery, and occupational health, amongst others. Dyma farn rhai o'n dysgwyr presennol. Here's what some of our current learners had to say about the course. Diolch i chi am ystyried ein pwnc, gobeithio eich gweld chi y flwyddyn nesaf. Thank you for showing an interest in our subject, and we hope that you can join us next year.